Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard drink. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of whole milk, 3 large egg yolks, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, have your equipment ready, including a medium saucepan, a whisk, and a heat-proof bowl. Using fresh, quality ingredients ensures the best flavor. Begin by whisking the 3 egg yolks with 1/4 cup of sugar in a bowl until the mixture becomes light in color and creamy. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 2 cups of milk over medium heat until it just begins to steam, but do not let it boil. Now, slowly pour about 1/3 of the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs. Next, pour the entire tempered egg and milk mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining milk. Continue to cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon or spatula. This continuous stirring is crucial to prevent the eggs from scrambling. Cook until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of your spoon, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Once thickened, immediately remove the custard from the heat. For an extra smooth and silky texture, strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. Now, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Allow the custard to cool slightly at room temperature, then cover it and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or until thoroughly chilled. Serve cold and enjoy your delicious homemade custard drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.